In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Forms look good in just 5 minutes. We all know that Google Forms is a powerful tool for gathering information, whether you're planning an event or conducting a survey. However, ensuring your form is visually appealing can make a big difference in engagement and completion rates. Let's dive into how you can transform your standard form into something more attractive with just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your Google form. You should see your form in edit mode, ready to be customized. Now, to start adding some visual flair, look for the paint palette icon at the top of the screen. This icon is your key to unlocking a range of customization features. Clicking it will open up a sidebar that contains everything you need to customize your form's appearance. Next, you'll want to choose a theme color that reflects the aesthetic you're aiming for. If you have a specific look in mind, you might even consider uploading a custom header image. A header image can be particularly striking as it sets the tone for the rest of your form. You can upload any image by simply dragging it into the designated area or selecting it from your files. Once you've selected a theme color or header image, or both, it's time to move on to your background color. The background color should complement your theme and not clash with your chosen header. This ensures your form looks cohesive and professional. Spend a moment experimenting with different colors until you find a combination that works well. Another important aspect of making your Google form look good is to use consistent fonts and ensure the formatting of your questions is clear. Google Forms offers several font options, so pick one that aligns with your desired style. Consistency is key here as varying font styles can make your form look disorganized and difficult to read. To make the form more engaging, consider adding relevant images or videos. Visuals can help capture attention, illustrate questions, and even provide additional context. For instance, if you're surveying about a new product, a photo or video of that product could enhance understanding and interest. Once you have adjusted the aesthetic settings, it's time to preview your form. Click the eye icon at the top right corner to see how your form will appear to respondents. Taking this step ensures that everything looks as you intended and also helps you spot any changes you might want to make before sharing it. By following these simple steps, you'll have a Google form that not only functions well, but also looks appealing to your audience. Remember, a visually appealing form can make a significant difference in how your respondents perceive and interact with it. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to apply these tips to all your future forms. Happy customizing!